In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a new loan and loan payments in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this in three main parts: setting up the loan account, recording the money you receive from the lender, and then recording your ongoing loan payments so principal and interest are tracked correctly. First, let's set up the loan account. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Settings gear icon, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts live, including assets, income, and liabilities. In the top right, click New. For the account type, choose Other Current Liabilities if the loan will be paid off within a year, or Long-Term Liabilities if it will last longer than a year. For the detail type, pick Loan Payable or Notes Payable. These options tell QuickBooks that this is money your business owes. Give the account a clear name, like Loan, Bank, or something that makes it easy to recognize later. If this is a brand new loan you're just receiving now, leave the opening balance at 0 and save the account. Next, let's record the loan deposit when you receive the funds. The easiest way is using the bank feed. When the deposit appears in your bank transactions, click on it, and for the category, select the loan liability account you just created. Then choose Add or Match, depending on what QuickBooks suggests. This ties the incoming money to the loan instead of treating it as income. If you prefer or need to use a journal entry, click the New button and choose Journal Entry. On the first line, select your bank or checking account and enter the loan amount as a debit because your cash is increasing. On the next line, choose your loan liability account and enter the same amount as a credit since your liability is increasing. Save and close, and your loan is now on the books. Finally, let's record loan payments, separating principal and interest. Click New and choose Check, or use a journal entry if that's your preference. On the first line, select your loan liability account and enter the principal portion of the payment. This reduces what you owe. On the next line, choose your interest expense account and enter the interest portion of the payment. If there are any extra fees, add additional lines and categorize them appropriately. Make sure the total of these lines equals the total payment that is coming out of your bank account, so the payment is credited correctly. When everything looks good, click Save and Close.